Hi, my name is Thomas Binzer. I'm one of the newly elected board members at CLS. Normally, I would likely have dressed a bit different for the occasion, but I was on vacation when I received this request, and I haven't brought any suits, so you will have to do with this. Shortly about me, I'm a biologist by training, have a PhD from University of Copenhagen. But the past 20 years, I have worked in the intersection between R&D and commercialization, both in larger companies and in smaller companies. Among others, I've worked at Thermo Fisher Scientific, Agilent Technologies, and the past 10 years, I've worked in a company called Sophion Bioscience. At Sophion, I was responsible for the whole value chain from R&D to scientific affairs, product management, marketing, and also sales in Europe. And I'm also, by the way, a board member at a Danish company called Danish Fundamental Metrology. What I find very interesting with CLS is obviously that the team has, over the past years, developed a technology that in both users and in my opinion is far superior to competition. That needs to be taken advantage of course. CLS is also in a position where we need to transition from a company that is focused a lot on development to a company that focuses also on commercialization. I believe that with my background as a scientist, but also, and mostly importantly, my 20 years of experience with commercialization of technical and scientific products can help CLS achieve that.